Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Keap and set up abandoned cart follow-ups easy tutorial step by step clearly. To log into Keap, open your preferred web browser. Type in the Keap website URL and press enter. Once the page loads, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. Enter your registered email address in the provided field. Next, type your password in the corresponding password field. After verifying your details, click on the Sign In button. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the e-commerce tab in the left-hand menu and click on it. Under the e-commerce section, select Abandoned Carts. You will see a dashboard displaying recent abandoned carts. Click on the Settings button to configure your follow-up options. In the Settings menu, find the Follow-up section. Here, you can create an email template for your abandoned cart follow-up. Click on Create New Email to start drafting your message. Craft a compelling email that encourages customers to return and complete their purchase. Once you have finished drafting your email, save it. Next, set the timing for your follow-up emails. Choose when you want the follow-up to be sent after a cart is abandoned. After setting your timing, enable the follow-up feature. Review all your settings to ensure accuracy. Finally, click Save to confirm your changes. Your abandoned cart follow-ups are now set up and ready to go. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.